My focus today is on making a search box. It's both separate and not separate. I mean, a separate project and not a separate project. I would say it's a component of a project. For example, if you have a business and you want to make an app for that, you would need a search box. Or if you want to make, let's say, a dictionary app, you would need to have a search box. Here I'm on Xcode, and it is a single view application. In fact, I'll click Next, and we'll give it a name. Search mechanism or search tool. Let me put T. You can give any name, actually. And Next. And create. Here we have the familiar components, indeed, app.delegate.swift and the other ones, and main.storyboard. I'll go to main storyboard, and we'll delete the default view. Okay, next I will go to the object library, and we'll add this on the right side, table view controller, control and drag. Yeah, we have the table view controller. Now we'll go here to editor and scroll down. Well, not scrolling down, just going to embed in a navigation controller. Okay, and we'll click the navigation controller and check is initial view controller. I mean, your app needs to have a starting point, and this arrow indicates that this section is going to be the beginning of the app. My next step will be to add two files, one for the table view that I just added, and the other for the cell. I will go to File, New, and File again. Okay, Cocoa Touch class, Next, and we'll give it table view controller. Well, this table view controller, my table view controller, is a subclass of UI table view controller. Yes. Next. And create. Well, you can see it here on the left side. A table view controller.swift. Next, we will need to create a file for cells 2. Okay, I'll go to File, New, File again, and here I will give it table cell controller a name, and this is a subclass of UI table view cell. Let me delete this, and next. Yes. So I have this file to table cell controller and table view controller, these two. Back to main storyboard. I'll need to go to my table view and to this inspector, identity inspector, and we'll have to this one to make sure that my table view is included here. Is here table view controller. Yes. Also, I will have to do it for the cell. And yes. Okay. Also, while I'm here, I will need to go to Attributes Inspector, and we'll need to make sure that I will have a reuse identifier. Well, here I will write cell, so this will be the identifier. I will use it later. Okay. Now we need to add two objects. One will be a search box and the other one will be a label. So let's go to the object library, scroll down. I mean, it's not a long list, at least here on my computer, and you could put it, you could type it in the search box, but I will go down. Yeah, it's here, search bar, and we'll drag it here. Yeah, so my search bar is here, and look, the attribute editor inspector here, and we could style it. I think everything is, at least for this project, is fine here, so let's just keep it as default. And we will need to add this to our code too. I will click the assistant editor here, and here we'll, in related items, we'll look for my table view file, this table view controller.swift, and now I will click search bar here. Yeah, and UI search bar, and we'll give it search bar connect the outlet. This outlet is on table view controller. Let's close this window, and yes, the other object that we will need to add is a label. So the label is here. We would just need to drag a label here.